Can UV lights improve HVAC performance? Yes, properly installed ultraviolet C lights can improve performance indirectly by keeping indoor coils and drain pans cleaner, but they do not replace good filters, regular maintenance, or correct system sizing. Ultraviolet C light can be installed inside the air handler, where air passes through the heating and cooling equipment. Its main job is to reduce mold, bacteria, and other living growth on damp surfaces such as the evaporator coil and drain pan. When a coil becomes coated with buildup, air cannot move through it as easily, so the system may work harder and use more electricity. A clean coil can transfer heat better, which may help cooling performance and airflow stay closer to normal. The light does not scrub away dust, remove pollen, or catch pet hair, so a properly fitted air filter is still needed. A useful detail is that the light must shine directly on a surface for enough time and strength, so a small lamp placed where air moves quickly may not do much. Ultraviolet light can also damage skin and eyes, which means the equipment should have a closed cabinet, a safety switch, and professional installation. Check the lamp regularly because many bulbs still glow after their germ-killing power is weakened, and replacement timing depends on the manufacturer. One common mistake is expecting ultraviolet light to lower energy bills by itself, so first correct dirty filters, blocked vents, refrigerant problems, and poor airflow. Another mistake is buying a weak lamp without checking its placement and coverage, so ask for a design that targets the coil and drain pan. Some people also forget that ultraviolet lamps need cleaning and replacement, so follow the manufacturer's schedule and have the system inspected during routine service. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.